Step 1. Prime the wall. First step is to prime the whole wall with a base color. The wall will absorb some of the prime base color, making it absorb less of your spray paint once you apply it. If you are going over a piece, make sure to cover it 100% with your base color to show respect to the writer who did it. If you only cover parts of the underlying piece, it will be seen as disrespectful by the community. Step 2. Sketch your letter. When using spray cans, you will the first many times most likely not get the result as you imagined in your head. Maybe there will be drips all over, maybe all the lines are too dusty or whatever you do. You can't make the whole line even. Don't get frustrated. Orientate yourself before you pull a crucial line. Make sure you know where the line is going before you start pulling it. Move your whole body. When you are painting, motion should be in your body and not in your wrists. Step 3. Sketch your shadow. Make sure all shadows have the same vanishing point. Sketch your shadow in the direction you want. If the piece is sketched too high or too far to one of the sides, you can choose to make the shadow go in the opposite direction, making up for the empty space. Step 4. Paint the background. Now it's time to start adding some colors to your piece. A background can be a whole theme, include a character, or just be simple bubbles, splat, or graphic elements. Step 5. Fill in the letters. When making your fill-in, make sure to do it from side to side, small areas at a time. This will not only make your cans last longer, but make your piece look better in the end. Have the same distance to the wall so the fill-in will look coherent. Make fill-in using side-to-side movements. Never do circles, doodling, or the snake when making your fill-in, as this will leave uneven marks and lines. Step 6. Add details to your fill-in, such as patterns, blocks, cuts, etc. Step 7. Draw the outline. Pull the lines with confidence, so you get them right the first time. If you've made a big piece, adding a thicker outline than usual might fit the piece well. A trick for this is instead of using a fat cap to make the outline in one go, you take a skinny cap and make the outline thicker little by little. This will give you better control and most likely a more clean outline. Step 8. Fill in the shadows. Step 9. Add highlights to your letters with confident movements so you won't have to edit them afterwards, which can be difficult in faded fill-in. When adding highlights, you should imagine that your piece is being lit from a certain angle. The light can come from anywhere you prefer, but stick to only one angle. Adding several light sources makes your highlights look unlogical. A highlight can be added next to the outline or a bit away from it. The further away your highlight is from your outline, the more round and bubble-like the letter will look. Step 10. Add a keyline. A keyline can be added to the piece to make it pop out and frame the overall look even more. Keylines are often made in bright or neon colors. Step 11. Add highlight stars. Highlight stars can be added to your pieces and throw-ups as an extra style element to your highlight. When you add highlight stars to your piece, you should do it randomized and well-proportioned. Instead of putting them all in one letter or all in the same horizontal or vertical line, try to spread it out.